There are two types of presenters in the world. Those that have had a demo fail in front of an audience, and those that have just simply never actually presented. Part of the territory of doing a live presentation is having something go wrong. It's going to happen, and that's okay. How you respond to it is really going to be important. The first thing to keep in mind is that your audience is going to reflect back your energy. So if you make a big deal out of the error, your audience is going to make a big deal out of the error. So the first thing that you want to do is just take a deep breath and relax. And then your audience will take a deep breath and relax. The next thing that you want to do is to just stop and look back over your instructions. Stop and go back through the steps that you're supposed to perform. Because chances are what happened is you were moving a little bit too fast and you skipped a step somewhere along the way. And the best way to figure that out is just to go back to the beginning and start all over again. I always love to go with this analogy that if you're an astronaut, you have a full set of checklists for literally everything, including things that you've done dozens or hundreds of times. And the reason that that exists is because sometimes we'll get into an automatic mode and we'll forget a very important step. The exact same thing holds true here. So go back through your list of steps and see, hey, is there something that went wrong? If you can't identify it relatively quickly, the next thing that you can do from there is to copy and paste over a solution. It's always a good idea to have a solution ready to go just in case. Or, especially if maybe you were doing something on the fly, maybe you were like trying to do something that wasn't actually part of the presentation, just simply say, hey, I can't quite get this to work. Let's just put this to the side and let's move on from here. But again, just acknowledge the mistake, spend a little bit of time to see if you can fix it while staying calm, and switch over to a solution if that's what it comes to. Now, I know that it's far easier for me to say to stay calm than it actually is, but believe me, every single person who's watching has made those types of mistakes as well. They just get to do it, with nobody watching. You just get to do it with people watching, and that's okay. And honestly, you could even just use that as a joke if you like, that, hey, look, see, everybody's watching, now it decides not to work. And it's a nice way to diffuse things, make things light, and to just kind of roll with it.